was great forward planning by the car in front. That silver car. Left lane for the right hand. Wow. Wonderful forward planning. Oh my god.
Signal. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Well, they signalled in the end.
Yeah, but it was early. Oh my god.
From 11 AM, cross the participation by vehicle.
Pay monthly and get on with the Vision Express eye care plan. 2 pairs of glasses from £5.70 or 20%
You won't stop
off.
running.
Oh no. That didn't cut to cost.
Find out more in store online at visionexpress.com. Conditions
From the UK. Radio X.
Let you know that. Oh my god. Well, what are you doing now?
Because technically this is your road bit, they need to
Yeah,
go
I
to
know,
that
but
road.
this time.
They're just not going to let you out otherwise.
Well, that was a bit of a prick sort of move, wasn't it? The silver car. Why couldn't the silver car wait until after I had gone to move over into my lane? I know there was a blockage, but because it was so empty behind, there's no reason why they had to cut me up. Why did the bus pull out like that? Didn't affect me, but it affected the car next to me. This red car in front. So we are going into a 40 mph area, or are already in the 40 mph. But for some reason, they want to sit at 30 miles an hour, and then randomly just speeds up to more than 40. What gives? It's 40, mate. 40. Not 30, 40. Thank you. See, what the hell? What's that about? They seem to have sped off now. What the fuck? Now, someone tell me that that is not spiteful and a personal slowdown. There's no way that they just, you know, flicked the switch and was like, oh, I can go faster. No bloody way. So we're watching this blue car behind. What they do is quite interesting. They obviously miss their turn or have a change of heart because, you know, they go past this right-hand turn and sit with me at the traffic lights in the right-hand lane to turn right. However, you know, it doesn't look like there's a huge amount of discussion or conversation going on in the car by the looks of things until like this moment here when they just look to the right and like, oops, oh wait a moment, and then they reverse and then take that right hand turn. You don't see that every day, do you? We have another car here who doesn't like to be overtaken. I am catching them, slowly but surely, but I am catching them. I also need this right-hand lane anyway. But as I am catching, you can see I've just started to catch, and then they speed up. And I have no idea why, other than that they don't want to be overtaken. So I put out into this lane and you speed up. So you go that fragile in a tiny little car, you couldn't be overtaken, and then you had to get one car in front.
Yeah, overtake that car on a roundabout.
And then that will undertake that one.
Undertaking that car is.
Oh my god. Well, this car is taking.
Yeah.
Yeah, what it is. Thank you. You fucking dick. To create a model which actually, well, that's a fucking safe.
Really clever, innit? Maybe throw it out or something.
You put hazards on there, what the fuck? Don't just sit there without any lights on and then open the doors wide open.
Tonight, a very special guest of the department. Thrilled he could be guest number 2. Following the
Well, you should have gone, and you should have gone. Make us stop on a bloody roundabout.
So if you look at the signs, to go towards Harold Hill, I think it is, to go right, but not onto the A12, you want to be in this lane here. However, this black car next to me, they don't want it. They want to be in the A12 lane and still expect to cut across me at the exit to get in front. I don't know why people can't get in the correct lanes. I mean, it's not like there was a queue in this lane for them to skip, but just watch. Wrong lane. Get in the right lane.